Hi, I'm Justin from Midland Honda, service technician here. Just got in this 2017 Honda Civic Type R, approximately 3,400 kilometers on it. Just going to do a walk around with you guys and show you the car. Has a 2-liter turbocharged engine with a manual transmission. Interior is red suede with black accents. Also, you can see the carbon fiber accents throughout the vehicle. Red stitching throughout the seats. Rear trunk space with a privacy cover. The exterior of the vehicle is in excellent condition. Fenders and bumper have been covered in 3M protective. We'll walk around here underneath of the vehicle so you can see. The vehicle has very low kilometers. It's clearly only been summer driven by the looks of it. This vehicle is equipped with drilled rotors and Brembo calipers. You can see the condition of the vehicle still. Very good shape. So the rears, you still have your painted calipers. Tires have an average reading of 732nds. Thanks for taking a look at this 2017 Honda Civic Type R. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'd be glad to help you answer them.